Hello students, welcome to TSSM Group of Institute. I am Mrs. Sneha Azankar from Signet Public School, New. Today we are going to see an experiment from class 10th from physics. The aim of the experiment is tracing the path of ray of light passing through rectangular slab for different angle of incidence. Measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence and interpret the results. So, student, we learned the law of refraction of light. We know the light will undergo refraction when it travels from transparent medium. Light will bend towards normal when it gets into glass from air, and it will go away from the normal when it gets out of the glass into air. So, today with this experiment we will verify this law of refraction of light. So, let us start this experiment. To do this experiment we need some material, that is glass slab, drawing pins, pencil, protractor, scale, drawing sheet and a wooden board. First of all, take drawing pins and fix it on a drawing board properly by using drawing pins. Place the given glass slab at the center and draw its projection on the paper with pencil. And labeled it as P, Q, R and S. Remove the glass slab and at point O draw a normal M1 N1 at point O. Also draw the ray AO at angle of 30 with the normal. Take point O on line PQ and draw a normal at an angle of 90 degree. Labeled it as M1 N1. Also draw a ray AO at an angle of 30 . With the help of protractor we can take the angle of 30 and draw ray AO . This is the angle of incidence at angle 30 degree. Now, fix two pins as on the line AO . Now, place the glass slab in its original place. Look at the image of the paper pin 1 and 2 from the other side of the glass slab and fix two more pins 3 and 4 in such a way that they are on the line joining the pins 1 and 2. The line BC shows the emerging ray. So, we have to first pierce remove the glass slab and join the lines, remove the pins and draw the line BC on line SR. Make the labeling of the pins P1, P2, P3 and P4. Draw the normal to the line SR and label it as M1, M2, N2, B and C. Now, join the line O and B by dotted line or by solid line, and now measure the angle of incidence, angle of refraction and the angle of emergence. So, this angle will be the angle of refraction and this will be the angle of emergence. Now, we know that we have taken the angle of incidence 30. Now, we will measure the angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is 20.7 degrees Celsius. So, angle of incidence was 30 degree, angle of refraction is 20.7 degree, and now measure the angle of emergence. Now, the angle of emergence is near about equal to angle of incidence, that is 29.9 degree. So, from this we can conclude that when the light undergo refraction through a glass slab, the incidence and the angle of incidence and the angle of emergence are parallel to each other, and the angle of incidence and the angle of emergence are of the same measure. So, in this way we verify the law of refraction of light. So, in this way, in this experiment we learned that when the ray of light passing through the rectangular glass slab, the incident ray and the emergence ray are parallel to each other, and the angle of incidence and the angle of emergence are of the same measures. So, in this way we verify the law of refraction of light. Thank you.